Hello friends, in this video, I will show how to change the date and time in Windows 11. Here is the date and time options. Click the right button on the mouse, and go to the Adjust Date and Time options. Here, you can see date time, language, and time zone. To manually update the date and time, turn off the date and time automatically options. Now, click on Change. After this, you can set a date and time, as per your local time zone. After setup, click on Change. You can see, the date and time are updated. If I again turn on the date and time automatically options, then my computer time is updated, as per my time zone. I hope you can now easily change your PC date and time manually, after watching this video. Friends, I show again, and, very soon, I will make a lot of tutorials about Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.